The exclusive, innovative ASP transport kit integrates with our rigid ultra cuffs. It converts the cuffs into a system for safely restraining and transporting subjects in correctional, air travel, courtroom, and similar situations. The kit allows the subject to be cuffed in front for more comfort and safety when sitting for long periods without compromising security and officer safety. Unlike many conventional chain and shackle systems, the ASP transport kit can be attached and removed without ever having to remove or adjust the handcuffs. It's a more efficient and, more importantly, a safer system. The kit comprises a hardened stainless steel waist chain with a fitting that slides into a slot in the ASP rigid cuffs. It's then rapidly secured with the Quick Connect lock. Our exclusive positive locking system eliminates the need to insert or turn a key to attach the lock. Excess chain is secured with a provided snap hook. An alternate version of the kit is available with a belt in place of the waist chain. It's made of lightweight yet tough seatbelt grade webbing, and it's ideal for applications like aviation security or in situations where the noise of a chain might be a concern. It uses the same tongue and lock system as the chain version with a button and hole configuration to take up any excess length. Whether you choose the chain or belt version, the transport kit includes a durable ballistic storage case with room for all kit components, along with room for a pair of ASP rigid ultra cuffs. You can order the complete kit with cuffs included or without the restraint to use with rigid ultra cuffs you already have in service. Make sure to check out our other videos on ultra cuffs, as well as our training room video on transport kit application technique.